Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Know It Well. Friends, today I have come to you with a good news, especially for the citizens of United Kingdom. And the good news is that UK has become the first country in the world to approve COVID-19 vaccine. Yes friends, the much awaited vaccine is here. The Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Authority MHRA of Britain approved US-German partnered BioNTech Pfizer's vaccine for the emergency use on Wednesday. Britain's approval of a Pfizer's vaccine against COVID-19 marks a historic moment in the battle against the pandemic. This vaccine is 95% effective in preventing COVID-19 illness, and the vaccine is given in 2 injections, which is 21 days apart. Immunity begins to kick in after the first dose but reaches its full effect 7 days after the second dose. This vaccine will be made available across UK to the ordinary people next week onwards for the mass vaccination. UK has already ordered 40 million doses, which will be sufficient for 20 million people. The vaccine is a new type called messenger RNA, which are relatively quick and inexpensive to make. And it has never been used in commercial vaccine. This technology uses a tiny fragment of the virus's genetic code. This starts making part of the virus inside the body, which the immune system recognizes as foreign and starts to attack. Friends, now let us see who will get the vaccine first in UK. The UK government has prepared a list, the priority list, according to which elderly people in care homes and care home staff have been placed at the top, followed by people above 80s and health and care staff. These vaccines are produced by Pfizer in Belgium. Later on, it is transported to UK through flight. But the UK government is going to test all the batches of the vaccines it receives in labs, so that every single vaccine that goes out meets the same high standards of safety. Now let us see, will India get Pfizer vaccine soon? It's because the vaccine must be stored at around minus 70 degrees Celsius. It will be transported in special boxes of up to 5,000 doses packed in dry ice. Once delivered, it can be kept for up to 5 days in a fridge. And once out of the fridge, it needs to be used within 6 hours. So, it is going to be difficult for a country like India to transport vaccine from the manufacturing place, which is in Belgium, to the ordinary people. Not only that, for a vaccine to be allowed in India, it must clear clinical trials here in India. But neither Pfizer nor its partner companies had asked to hold such trials. This means that even if a Pfizer partners with an Indian company now, it will take some time for the vaccine to be available in the country. For India, the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine, which is being analyzed by Pune's Serum Institute, is the best option at present when it comes to early vaccination. Another vaccine being developed by Bharat Biotech in Hyderabad in collaboration with the Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR also showed promising results and could be released for the general public very soon. Covishield, which is at the head of the list of vaccine, is likely to be rolled out in India, which will be produced by the Serum Institute and has committed to make at least 100 million doses and will be available by the end of January. The AstraZeneca and one more vaccine by Bharat Biotech are being closely monitored, particularly by the poorer countries, because they are expected to be significantly cheaper. A report said Indian travel agents are receiving enquiries for UK trip, as several Indians want to get the benefit of the mass vaccination drive. But it might not be that easy for tourists from India to get the vaccine shot in UK. So friends, that's all for now in this video. If you find this video informative, then like and share this video. Also do consider subscribing to my channel, because I bring to you videos relating to current affairs, general knowledge, motivation and education.